Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Seema'S. So as you all know guys, I'm learning English, and what I'm learning related to this, I upload video on YouTube. So guys, I have started 90 days English speaking challenge. So today is day 3. So in this video I will tell you what you have to do. Third step, first step, I give you in just introduction, and day in day 2 I told you that how can you give your introduction, and in third video I will tell you that what is your third step while speaking, what you have to do, third step. So guys, if you are learning English, then third step is before you have to learn, give your introduction. You no matter what you are you can speak or not, but it is necessary that you should know how to give your introduction. So guys, today I will tell you third step is you have to learn vocabulary. Guys, I'm not telling you have to learn all vocabulary, but you have to learn daily use vocabulary like verbs and words like verb like come, go, write, and this type, and word like home, house, garden. But you have to, this is necessary that you have to learn vocabulary, daily use vocabulary only. In starting you can learn. So third step is it is important that you have to learn vocabulary, daily use vocabulary. So I will not teach you vocabulary how to learn and what vocabulary you have to learn. Just I will guide you guys what you have to do, because here and there lots of platform like YouTube and lots of application. There are many platform you can learn. There is chat GPT also. If you go there and search there that give me daily use vocabulary, give me daily use verb and word, then chat GPT will give you daily use vocabulary. So just I will tell you what you have to follow, guys, because on starting lots of English learner, they don't know from where should I start and what should I do while learning. Just I will tell you that process, what you have to do step by step. So then third step is you have to learn daily vocabulary. And guys, in next video I will tell you what you have to do fourth step. So keep watching my video, then I will tell you step by step what you have to learn. So I think it will be helpful for you. So if you enjoyed my video, if you like my video, then like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye for today.